Okay, so on my left, I have my blog post here on how I got around fixing Unity being stuck at building GI data. And on the right side of the screen, I have Unity actually opened up so that the steps are super clear for everyone. Just a quick note here, I am using Unity version 2021.3.24 LTS, and let's get right into it. So the first step is to clean your GI cache. I have the steps here on the left side of the screen, but on the right in Unity, we have to go to Edit, Preferences, navigate to GI cache, and then pressing this clean cache button. This should not take super long, and we can get right on to the next step, which is to regenerate our lighting. And again, in Unity, we have to go to Windows, Rendering, and then Lighting. And then in this pop-up, we have to uncheck Auto Generate, and then we have to press this Generate Lighting button. And again, this should not take too long to process, and that should be it. Hope it helps.